So if you have multiple images that you can merge into a panorama, then you can do that with Adobe Camera RAW as well. So over here in Adobe Bridge, you can see that I got 3 parts of the same area right here. And let's say I want to merge it out into a panoramic image. In that case, I can go around and hold Control on my keyboard and select out all of the 3 pictures right here. And you can see these pictures right here side by side. So what you need to do is you need to right click and open in Camera RAW right here. So once you do that, Camera RAW will load up these 3 pictures, as you can see, just like this. So now you can see these individual pictures right here, and to merge it, you can go around and hold Shift and select all of these 3 pictures right here, and then right click over here. Once you do that, you can go around and merge to Panorama. So let's just go around over here and do that, and what happens is that it detects out the scene right here, and then this is the panorama. You can go around and make it cylindrical, and you can see that it actually mirrors it out together right here. You can change around the perspective over here and change around as well. If your hand is not steady and so forth, then you would actually get crops and everything else right here, but you would still get this. You can also fill out the edges right here and change out the settings according to how you want, and then go around and click on Merge over here. Once you do that, you can see that it saves it out as a digital negative file right here. So let's just go around and save it, and there you go. There's this panorama file right here that you can go around and change around the settings of this like this, as you can see. And this is how you can go around and merge out 3 different pictures into a panorama inside of Adobe Camera RAW, or 3 or more pictures are also possible. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.